Pawns.App review. Does this really work? I'm going to tell you whether Pawns.App actually works. Pawns.App claims you can earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth and completing surveys. The app pays through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, with a low $5 minimum payout. Sounds easy, right? Here's the reality. Earnings are low. Most users make $5 to $20 per month, and it depends on your location, internet speed, and demand for bandwidth. Some people barely earn anything. Another thing to consider is privacy. Since you're letting strangers use your internet, there's always some risks. The app claims it's safe, but you should use a VPN just in case. So does Pawns.App work? Yes, but don't expect big money. It's legit, but it's only useful for earning a little extra cash on the side.